Hey everybody! For today's math, we're taking a look at two objects. I'll line them up here and seeing which one is shorter, which one is taller. We can do that with a standard measurement to see how long each object is. So if I take it, and this one is right at the very beginning here, it's about 4.5 inches long. And then if I take this one here, is about 2.5 inches long. When I put them next to each other, you can see how the kazoo instrument is taller than branch. If you do not have the standard measurements, or you would like to try a different way, you can use counters the same size and see, just like we've done before, that branch is 2 bears long, and then our kazoo is about 4 bears long. So here we can measure with either the standard units of measure or with some non-standard units of measure, like this, like the counting bears. So the second thing, we've done this before where we've measured like the length, and we've also done before where we've measured the weight of it in a way. So we are going to use our balance scale here that we had made, and I'm going to stick my object on the left side here, and you can see there's nothing in this side, there's just that in that side, and you can see that this is showing it's heavier. So in order to balance it, we will add some bears. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see we're just about there. We'll see what happens. I would say that's pretty balanced. So let's take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bears. So 5 bears is essentially how much branch weighs. It's 5 bears. Now we can make a prediction. The kazoo is taller than branch. Do you think the kazoo will weigh more than branch? So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in my left side, and you can see I've emptied out my right side here, and it just brings it down just very little bit here, but we can still see that this is heavier. So I'm going to take my counting bears and I'm going to put 1 in. Oh, we're almost balanced already. I'm going to put 2 in, and as you can see, that's pretty balanced out. So to your surprise, or maybe even to my surprise, even though we had our kazoo taller or longer in length than our branch, it weighs less. So just an interesting little experiment that you can do, and just because you have an object that is taller or shorter doesn't make it an object that will be necessarily heavier or lighter. I hope that you get the chance to try out this little experiment at home, and I thank you so much for listening.